Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M&T Bank online banking, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for M&T Bank's official website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign On button. Click on the Sign On button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to save your user ID for future logins, click the checkbox beside the option. Once all information is correctly entered, click the Sign On button. You will now be taken to your online banking dashboard. In case you forgot your user ID or password, click on the respective links provided. Follow the prompts to recover your information. If you're a first-time user, click on the Enroll link to create an account. Complete the registration form as required. Once registered, you can return to the login page to access your account. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your online banking experience. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact M&T Bank customer support for assistance. Now you are ready to manage your banking needs online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.